Two tourists, Alex and Jamie, were exploring a remote village known for its ancient artifacts. Remember, respect the culture, Alex reminded. Jamie nodded, but his eyes were on a peculiar statue. What if I just touch it? Jamie joked. Suddenly, the statue spoke. Touch me, and you'll be cursed with eternal hiccups. Startled, Jamie backed away. The villagers laughed, revealing it was a prank to teach tourists about respecting cultural heritage. Guess I learned my lesson, Jamie chuckled. The village became famous for its ethical tourism, and Jamie never hiccuped again. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun stories.